If you're searching for a high-performance, ready-to-play gaming desktop that delivers serious power without breaking the bank, the Skytech Shadow Gaming PC is definitely worth a closer look. With a clean, modern design, packed internals, and performance that punches above its weight, this machine is made for gamers who want smooth, reliable gameplay, straight out of the box. Let's start with what powers this beast under the hood. The Shadow comes equipped with the Intel Core i5-13400F processor, clocked at 2.5 GHz, with a turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz. That means fast, responsive performance for both gaming and multitasking. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles, editing videos, streaming, or doing all three at once, this processor holds up incredibly well. Paired with that, you get 32 GB of DDR5 RAM at 5,600 MHz, which is not just fast, it's future-ready. This much memory at this speed gives you incredible multitasking capabilities, super fast load times, and a buttery-smooth experience in modern games, especially when you're running background apps like Discord, OBS, or Chrome. And yes, it's RGB, so it looks as good as it performs. The graphics card is a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 6 GB of GDDR6 RAM. While it's positioned as an entry-level RTX GPU, don't underestimate it. This card is capable of running popular games like Call of Duty Warzone, Elden Ring, Baldur's Gate 3, GTA 5, Fortnite, Apex Legends, Overwatch 2, Valorant, League of Legends, and more, at 1080p on ultra settings with 60+ frames per second. You'll also enjoy support for ray tracing and DLSS, giving you access to next-gen graphics features in supported titles. It's a sweet spot for those who want solid 1080p gaming without spending thousands. For storage, you're getting a 1TB NVMe SSD, which is up to 30 times faster than a traditional hard drive. That translates to blazing fast boot times, near-instant game loads, and faster file transfers. No more waiting for your PC to catch up. You click, it opens. And with 1 TB of space, you've got plenty of room for your favorite games, apps, and media. Now, let's talk about the build and aesthetics. The Skytech Shadow Gaming PC comes in a sleek black case with tempered glass side panel, so you can showcase those beautiful RGB-lit components. The system includes 4 RGB ring fans, which don't just look great, they also provide excellent airflow, keeping your rig cool during extended gaming sessions. The design is minimal, clean, and modern, perfect for any gaming setup. Connectivity is also well covered. You've got 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, so no need to worry about running Ethernet cables. Plus, there are a variety of USB ports including USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1, giving you plenty of room for peripherals. For video output, you get at least one HDMI and one DisplayPort, and potentially more depending on the brand of GPU included. It's perfect for dual monitor setups or high refresh rate displays. And here's a small but welcome bonus. You also get a free gaming keyboard and mouse in the box. While they might not replace your high-end peripherals, they're great for getting started right away, especially if you're building your first setup. In terms of software, it comes with Windows 11 Home 64-bit, fully installed and ready to use, and best of all, no bloatware. That means a clean setup, faster performance, and no annoying trial software to uninstall. Now, what about support? Skytech includes a 1-year warranty on parts and labor and lifetime free technical support, all assembled in the USA. That's a major plus for peace of mind and long-term reliability. In conclusion, the Skytech Shadow Gaming PC is an excellent value for gamers who want smooth 1080p performance with fast load times, powerful multitasking capabilities, and a clean, stylish setup. It's perfect for newer gamers, budget-conscious buyers, or anyone looking to upgrade from an older system without jumping into the $2,000 plus category. It gives you performance where it matters, customization where it counts, and support when you need it, all in a rig that looks as cool as it runs. If you're serious about gaming but want a plug-and-play PC that won't disappoint, the Skytech Shadow is a powerful choice that's ready to go from the moment you power it on.